Hey everyone, this is Ben. In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a simple website on Firebase hosting. Alright, here in this folder projects, I have a website, my website. And here I only have an index.html. And if I open it, it's a simple web page on my computer. Alright. And if I open it with text editor, you can see the source, a simple web page. Alright, now I want to deploy it to Firebase. First, we need to go to the Firebase console. Firebase console. Alright. Alright, these are all the projects I've created before. I can use any of them or create new one. I want to create a new project. First, choose a name for your project. It can be anything and will also be used in your website domain name. I enter, this is Ben. Alright. Continue. And this is your project's Google Analytics. Here you can enable or disable it. Continue and choose an account for Google Analytics. You choose default and create project. Alright, done. Project has been created and we are done here. And if I continue, I'll enter the project console. And we don't need to do anything here anymore. So I'll just close this page. Next, I go back to the projects folder where our website folder is located. And here, open a terminal. Alright, now we need to install Firebase tools using npm. npm install Firebase-tools -g. The -g flag makes it install globally so you can use it anywhere. And if you don't have npm, you need to install Node.js. Go to his website, nodejs.org. And here, choose your operating system and tool to install, or you can use pre-built installer. Anyway, run this command, hit enter. Alright, done. And next, we need to log into Firebase using Firebase login. Alright. And if you see this ugly warning, just ignore it. And here, allow Firebase to connect. Just hit enter. And it will open a browser to log into Firebase. Choose your email or log in to your email. And here, continue. And here, allow Firebase CLI. Allow. Alright, login successful. And we can close this window. And here says success logged in. And next here in the projects folder, run Firebase init hosting. Alright, please select an option. You can use arrow keys. Use an existing project or create a new project. I select using existing project to choose the project I created in the Firebase console. Alright, now select the project. Here you can see your project and I want this. This is Ben. Use arrow keys and select. Hit enter. And what do you want to use as your public directory? The default is public, but I want my website folder. This, my website. So here, enter the folder name. Hit enter. Next, configure a single page app, read always index.html. This is good for web apps like React or Vue. I have a simple website, so I say no. And set up automatic build deploy with GitHub, I say no. And it says the index.html already exists. Overwrite, I say no. because I want my own index.html. No, and enter. Alright, Firebase initialization complete. Now run Firebase deploy and wait a few seconds. Alright, deploy complete. And this is our website. If I open it, I can see my index.html at this address. Fast and easy. And view page source. Here it is, our website source code. Alright. And if you want another page, just create it. Go to your website folder. Alright. And this is for not found URLs generated by Firebase. Let's create another page, duplicate this, and I rename it to shop.html. And let's edit it. Here, shop, and shopping soon. Alright, save it. And now we just need to run Firebase deploy again. Wait a few seconds. And alright, deploy complete. And let's see our shop page, shop.html. Alright, here it is. Alright, and if you want to edit something, just edit it and deploy. Let me edit index.html. I want to change the color of this. I want to change it to red. Alright, save it. And Firebase deploy. Alright. Refresh the page. And here we have red, this is banned.